Turn those milk and cookies into a delicious cookie mug cake. This is perfect to make when you want a quick dessert and don't feel like baking. I made 3 different cookie mug cakes using Oreos, Nutter Butter, and Chips Ahoy cookies, but you can probably make this with any type of cookie. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Start with breaking 5 cookies into a bowl or mug. Don't worry about breaking them into small pieces now. I found that using 5 cookies created a nice cake consistency, but feel free to use less cookies if you want a smaller cake. Add 2 tablespoons of milk to the broken cookies. Start mixing the cookies and milk together using a spoon and continue mixing until it turns into a nice cake batter consistency. If you had large chunks of cookies when you were breaking them up, now is the time to make sure that they get crushed up. Feel free to use almond milk or another type of dairy-free milk to make these mug cakes. I found that the cookies with a cream filling were much easier to mix together. Place the mug cake into the microwave for about 45 seconds. You can add your favorite topping to the mug cake, like whipped cream or icing, or you can just leave it as is. Each one of these mug cakes was pretty good for a quick dessert, but I thought that the Oreo mug cake was the best one. The Chips Ahoy mug cake was packed with all the melted chocolate chips. And the Nutter Butter cookie mug cake had a really delicious peanut butter flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you liked this video and subscribe to bake more good things next week.